Now we will explain about the first element, which is the button. We add it on the screen by dragging and drop it this way. Okay, and now the properties of the button. The first thing is the ID, which must be an ID for each element that you use in programming, usually inside the code. Layout width, we give it a fixed value, and we encode it with DP, or can use wrap content, or match parent. Background, we can give it a color or an image. Text is the text we want to type on the button. Font family, the font type of text. On click means when the user presses the button, where does he go or do? Of course there must be Java code in order to transfer and execute it. Before that I will change the background color and text color. Good, thank you. Don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel.